The future starts with how you show up right now. I regret that my hair's not done and that this is unplanned. However, I committed to showing up Monday, Wednesday, Friday, do a video for you. And the topic that came to my mind was showing up. I realized the value of showing up quite a few years ago. And someone that shows up for people on YouTube every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Like clockwork, never missed. I don't know if he misses anymore, I don't really pay attention. But it really helped me. And that person really showed me the value of showing up for people. And in my life, I didn't realize how much that it hurt me, people that failed to show up. Starting with my biological father, and I'm not blaming or complaining, it's a fact that he didn't show up. And it hurt. I allowed it to hurt me. I don't anymore. I've been set free from that. Thank God. Thank you, Jesus. But I carried around that scar for many, many years because my real dad, the one I was born to, did not show up. He left when I was 5. I never saw him again. And when I went to find him as an adult, he was already passed away. So that makes me sad. I have one picture of him, one photograph. And it's an awful photograph of him. But I treasure that photograph because it's the only one I have of my dad. The one that is of my blood. So, and then throughout my life, people failed to show up. Thank goodness I had a mom that did take care of me, made sure I stay alive, and helped me along the way. But even then, just so many people just did not stay. And that's why I show up for you today, here, because this is a platform that you could show up for people that need you. And there's people in their homes that are suffering, people in the world that are suffering. Their families don't show up. Their people they love don't show up. People that don't have friends don't know how to show up for themselves. I never used to know how to show up for myself for many, many, many years. Thank goodness a neighbor took me to church, and that's how I met the Christ of my own understanding and started my journey when I was 12 at Harvest Christian Church in Riverside, California with Greg Laurie. That's where my journey started with Christ. I'd never been to church in my life, didn't know what church was, didn't know what God was, didn't have no relationship with God. I didn't know. And my family was... it was laden with people in and out of prison, alcoholism, drug addiction, all that. So I didn't know God. And I feel, whether it's true or not, my perception is that no one showed up for me. And as a result, I experienced severe adversity as a kid growing up. Yeah. I was abused as a kid in many ways and abandoned as a kid. So I always had that owie. And when I met alcohol, King Alcohol, when I was around 10, that I remember, I had alcohol before that. But when I voluntarily started drinking alcohol myself, my choice was I was around 10 and did that for... well, I won't say many years. It wasn't many years. It was only until I was like 20. When I hit my bottom, when I was 20, I hit my bottom. And with depression, major depression, and suicide. And I wanted to die. All the childhood secrets that I had were eating me up inside. I felt like I couldn't talk to anyone about them. I didn't even know if talking about them, I didn't believe talking about them was the thing to do or would help anything. So it continued to stuff them and continued to get worse and worse and worse and worse and worse. So I did not realize the value of someone showing up for you till I discovered someone that shows up consistently on social media. Everybody knocks social media, talks bad about it, because yes, there's a lot of negative things on social media. It opens you up to everything. And thankfully, because of my career in the Department of Corrections, I have really, really good boundaries. I have no problem saying no. I have no problem putting someone in their place. And I think that's helped me. And unfortunately, not everyone has that, I guess. But it has made it easier for me to use this as a platform to show up for people and allow people to show up for me. You don't even know who you're showing up for when you show up consistently, whether on here or in life. Even people that I thought were my biggest rocks, my biggest supporters, they didn't hold their word and they failed to show up. And I've been guilty of that too, because human beings are fallible. Only God is the one that has perfect follow through. So we all fall short of the glory of God. So no blaming, no complaining. When you blame or complain about people, you're complaining about God's handiwork. Every single one of us on this planet is a child of God and has a right to be here. A little bit of good in the worst of us. There's a little bit of bad in the best of us. So, love the sinner, hate the sin. But show up for the people that you love. Show up when you say you're going to show up. Do what you say you're going to do and follow through. Follow through is extremely important. When my coach said my problem was follow through, that was a life changer. Like, wow, it hit me like a ton of bricks that I didn't follow through. I never held my word. And here I wondered why I didn't trust anyone. It's because I wasn't a trustworthy person. Today, I am a trustworthy person. I show up when I say I'm going to show up. I do what I say I'm going to do. And anyone that doesn't do that, they're not meant for you. The sad thing about when you begin to hold your word, when you begin to improve who you are, when you begin to be authentically you, you find out who really is true. And that can hurt along the way. I've lost some people I love along the way, and it hurts that they didn't stay. However, it's a blessing too, because things that aren't meant for you are pruned away, and the ones that really, really, honestly, genuinely love you will stay. Your true friends care, and they will always, always find a way to be there. Just like God won't leave you or forsake you, neither will your real friends too. So, till the day I fall, till God gives me my last call, I will show up for you. Love you guys.